The volunteer side of the Sheriff's Office, we are a group of special deputies commissioned by the Hennepin County Sheriff, Rich Stanek, to basically provide volunteer services for the office. We have 100 special deputies who provide services for the office. Last year, our special deputy group volunteered 25,000 hours. One of the must-haves for our new scheduling system was it had to be designed for public safety. Aladtec met that requirement. The first feature we really enjoy is the shift reminder. It will remind my special deputies of a shift or event they've signed up for. And the first time the alerts went out, I had deputies telling me that I'm glad the message went out. The second feature we really enjoy is the coverage finder. We have several times where we have to find staffing for an event, and just by clicking on a button, putting some text in it and send it out is so much better than trying to go through an email list and sending out customized emails. One of the big selling points of the Aladtec application was the library feature and the discussion groups. With the large special deputy group we have to have libraries of information available to everyone wherever they are. The library feature provides that to us. We are using the discussion feature to allow our special deputies to discuss topics among each other. That could be training, equipment issues, shift topics, you name it, we discuss it. One of the big comments I heard from all the special deputies after we went live with Aladtec is, we should have done this years ago. I would highly recommend Aladtec to any public safety agency.